So today is Friday, September 20th. That means that today is the official launch day of all the new Apple iPhones, as well as like the watches, AirPods, all that other stuff. We're actually on our way right now to go and pick up the brand new iPhone 16 Pro. So super excited. I'm also going to be picking up the Apple Watch Series 10 later today, but I don't know if I'm going to vlog that. So let's just go ahead and head to the Apple store. We'll go ahead and pick up the iPhone. We've also got a couple other accessories there too that we're going to pick up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get going. Okay, so we finally made it to the mall. My appointment isn't until like 10:30, but I'm like, or not 10:30, it's 10:30 right now. My appointment's not until 11 o'clock. So I'm here like half an hour early. I did some research online and it seems like coming in early is the better play because regardless of when you get here, you still gotta wait in the line if there's a line. So hopefully it's not too busy today. I'm recording on my like actual camera right now. I'm probably not gonna bring this inside just because it's so big and like, I don't think that they'd allow me to record in there anyway, so I'm gonna just switch to my phone. So if you notice any like quality difference, that's gonna be why. But yeah, let's go and pick up the phone. All right, so we got two things ready for pickup, the phone and then the case. The other things aren't ready yet, but we're here at the store already. Hopefully they'll have them by the time we get in, or at least by the time we get like to the appointment. Otherwise, I really don't want to have to come back, but if that's what I have to do, then that's what I have to do, I guess. I can see the line from here. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like people are kind of just walking in, so hopefully that means that we can just get in and get out.
So did you already place the order and you purchased it online?
All right, so both bags secured. They would not let me record in the store. Like I actually asked the guy, like, can I record in here? And he was like, nah. It's cause like employee protection and stuff like that. I get it. But yeah, we picked up everything. The line was not bad at all. Luckily, the accessories, the second order that I had was ready like while I was waiting in the line, so that worked out perfectly. But yeah, this is it. 16 Pro. Got the 256 gig model. I plan to use it for like more video and like content creation and stuff like that, so I wanted to get a little bit more storage in the base. I was initially gonna get the Max, but I just didn't feel like I really wanted like that big of a phone. And like, cause I had like felt the 15 Pro Max and I was like, oh, that's a decent size. But I've never had like a Plus or a Max before. And I know that the 16 Pro Max was bigger this year too. So I didn't really want to like take that risk and then kind of have to return it later. So I just played it safe and went with the Pro. Okay, first impressions, this thing is super sick. I've never had a Pro iPhone before, so this is like my first time feeling it. I'm coming from a 12, so big kind of jump for me here. But yeah, I mean, looks incredible. It feels great in the hand. I can't wait to get more hands-on time with it to give you guys like a better sort of like review and everything. Just to show you real quick the rest of the accessories that we got. So we got So we got the silicone case in stone gray, or I think it's called. I don't know what it's called. Whatever the gray one is. And then we also got the brand new MagSafe charger. This one is like the 25 watt MagSafe one, so it'll be fun to test that out. And then we also got the Milanese loop for the Apple Watch Series 10. But yeah, enough waffling for now. Let's go ahead and pick up that watch. Honestly, gotta say the pickup experience was a 10 out of 10. I didn't have to wait for too long, and when I did get in, like, it was again a pretty short wait to like actually get the products. I think luck was really on my side too, because of the fact that the accessories and stuff were ready like while I was in line. So I mean, yeah, I really can't complain about that overall. Now the exciting part is definitely going to be like once I get it like set up and like start using it as like my proper phone. Plus I want to trade in my old iPhone 12, which is a separate thing, but like once I get to like use it and like take pictures and like film some content with it and really just like have it as my phone, that's what I'm really looking forward to. Because my 12, it's kind of showing its age at this point. Like it gets hot a lot, it kind of slows down and stutters. Also, it does this weird Bluetooth thing, like with my AirPods, where it like makes like this staticky noise and I feel like the connection is just off. I don't notice that with any of my other devices. I think it's just the 12, but anyway, hopefully that's not a problem with this one here. Okay, real quick while I'm stopped, just want to show you guys what the iPhone 16 Pro in natural titanium looks like with the stone gray case from Apple. I think that this color combination here is almost undefeated. Usually I'm a black on black type of person, but like this color combo, I mean, it is just insane. Like, just so subtle yet so like sleek and refined. Like, I really love this colorway. Now I do also have a black leather case from Nomad at home waiting, so I'm also excited to see what that color combo looks like. But honestly, I think I'm probably gonna rock out without the case for most of the time. I kind of just got them in case I want to kind of like spice up everything, you know. Like, you know, I'll put on like the black leather case if I'm going somewhere nicer, and like the silicone case, like if I'm working out and I don't want my phone to like slip out and stuff like that. I don't think that I'm gonna be like daily driving any cases, but honestly, who knows? I mean, it's good to have them for sure. But yeah, I'm just really stoked to have that. All right, so we reached our second and final stop, which is Best Buy. So now we're gonna go inside and pick up the Apple Watch. Now you're probably wondering why I didn't just get the Apple Watch from Apple since I had it. Like I could have just gone there and like I had the slot for the pre-order too. The reason is actually pretty simple. Best Buy gave me a much better trade-in offer for my Apple Watch. I think Apple's was like $180 and Best Buy was gonna give me $300 for it. Plus I also had an older iPad Pro that I traded into, so I'm pretty much getting this Apple Watch for free. That's the only reason why I even upgraded in the first place. I have the Series 9. And there's nothing wrong with it at all. Like, it's perfectly fine. Only gripe is that it's like the midnight color. I like black better, or like a space gray. They didn't have that for this year, so I kind of wanted the silver, but then when they came out with the jet black, it was like, yeah, that's just like the easy option. So that's the one we went with. All right, it's time for the second unboxing. We picked up the Apple Watch Series 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this now. This unboxing is a lot less like exciting than the iPhone, I feel like, but still cool. Still nice to get a new Apple Watch. Went with the jet black, like I was saying. So we got the jet black with the ink band. Also got the Milanese loop, which I've been wanting since like the Series 3. I've just never been able to justify like buying it. But yeah, let's open this thing up. Got one, got two. Yeah, I'm missing my Series 9 because I had to trade it in. Still got the watch tan. It's pretty bad. But yeah, I'm excited to see what this like color looks like, because it's apparently kind of close to the iPhone, like the iPhone 7, like when that was black. So let's see. Oh, it is nice. You can already see it. Oof. It's got a nice glossy like tint to it. I don't know if that's focusing or not. It's got like a really nice like gloss to it. Super sick. And then yeah, standard like cables and stuff that like I've got plenty of. And I use a dock anyway, so I'm not going to be using those cables. Pop open the band. See what that's talking about. Man, these are sticky. I don't remember the adhesives being this sticky. And so, okay. Yeah, the ink band is pretty much the same as last year's. It's like the exact same color as last year's, actually. They just renamed it to ink. But yeah, it's just like a bluish midnight kind of thing. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Excited for this Milanese loop though, because I've been wanting this for a while, and I heard that the quality on these is like insane. So definitely excited to pop this open. How do I get it out though? It's like really tucked in here. It's crazy. Oh, there we go. But yeah, so we got the Milanese loop, which is like a metal, like magnetic kind of thing. I got it in like the slate or like the gray, the blackest, darkest one that they have. Just because I felt like it really fits well with this watch. So I'm actually gonna put this on now. Got it. So that's pretty clean. I like that. The gray with the black. That's pretty sick. It's a little bigger than last year's. Last year's was 41 millimeters, I think, and this one is 42. So it's a little bigger. I have very small wrists, so that's going to be interesting for me. But yeah, I'm excited to get it paired and see how it goes. Like I said, I'll be going ahead and like doing reviews on this stuff later on, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this like kind of like vlogish style thing, me picking everything up, make sure to leave a thumbs up in a comment to let me know. But other than that, I'll see you next time. Peace.